Let's make this delicious burrito. And the best part is, you can make them for the whole family. Okay, right here I'm cooking ground beef. It's 2 pounds of ground beef, grass fed. And now I'm gonna add some salt to my beef, because we want this beef to be well seasoned. Okay, I'm adding right here the onion and garlic, because we want this, like I said, flavorful. Now I'm going to add the spices. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, black pepper. Now I'm gonna add some ancho chili powder. You can also buy those taco seasoning packets that they have all the spices ready for your ground beef. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chipotle powder. Not too much, because I have kids and I don't want it too spicy. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the garlic powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cumin. Not too much, just a little bit, just to give it some flavor. And let's let it cook. If you have thyroid issues, you can add a little bit of thyme. I'm just gonna add a pinch. Hypothyroidism. Now I'm going to add the tomato. Okay, this is one whole round tomato. And I'm just gonna let it cook so it can be juicy. Basically, it's the same recipe as the nachos if you saw my other video. So let's let it cook until the tomato is soft. And if you want more flavor, you can add a little bit of chicken bouillon, or you can add more salt. As you can see, our beef is ready and looks very juicy and delicious. Make sure you taste your beef to see if it needs more salt, more seasoning, maybe a little bit of chicken bouillon if you want more flavor, or a little bit more spices. But I believe this is ready. And I also made for my burritos this Basmati rice right here that I have right here. It's already ready. Now I'm going to chop off my vegetables. Okay, now I'm going to cut my vegetables. I have cilantro, 1 jalapeno, 2 Roma tomatoes that are very firm and fresh, and a little piece of onion. Okay, I'm cutting right here my cilantro for my toppings for the burritos, because you want these burritos to have flavor but also to be refreshing. Okay, now I'm cutting my onion because I want to provide toppings, and I just let people add, family members add whatever toppings they want. Some people like onion, other people don't like onion. I like it with onion. Now I'm cutting my tomatoes, and like I told you, make sure you get them really fresh and firm so you can have really good toppings for your burrito. Okay, now I'm cutting my jalapeno. If you don't want your burrito too spicy, just remove the seeds from the jalapeno. Okay, now I'm smashing my avocado. I'm actually used 2 avocados. It's very easy to make this guacamole. Okay, now for my guacamole. That's optional. You wanna do this guacamole for your burritos. I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato. I'm gonna add some onion. If you have children, don't add the jalapeno. You can just add it to your burrito. And now I'm gonna add lemon juice. Some lemon. And now I'm going to add salt. And now I'm gonna mix it. You see how easy it is to make your guacamole for these burritos? Oh, it's gonna look so, it's gonna come out really, really good. Now our toppings for our burritos are ready. We have sour cream, we have our guacamole, we have cilantro, onions, jalapeno, tomatoes, salsa, and basmati rice. If you also want, you can also add lettuce or shredded cheese, but it's up to you. I'm just adding these toppings for my burrito. I just want to mention that you want to make sure that your ground beef is nice and juicy. If it's dry, you can add just a little bit of water and more seasoning, but they taste better when it's juicy like this. And I have my tortillas ready and everything. Oh man, I can just make one burrito or one taco with this ground beef and with this guacamole. Oh man, that's enough for me. Okay, let's make our burrito. First, we're going to add our ground beef in our burrito, our nice and juicy ground beef. Now let's add more toppings. We're going to add some of the basmati rice. You can just let everyone choose what toppings they like. Now I'm gonna add the toppings. I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato. I'm gonna add onion, cilantro. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the guacamole. Oh, this looks so delicious with the guacamole. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the sour cream because they told me they wanted this one with sour cream. And now I'm gonna add just a little bit of salsa right here. Oh, don't tell me this doesn't look good. Isn't this delicious, this burrito? Now, oh my God, I think it's really huge. Now I think it'll turn into a taco because I added too many toppings, but it looks so delicious. Okay, now, as you can see, we made our burrito. And ask everyone what toppings they want. If they want jalapeno, if they don't want jalapeno, if they want guacamole, it's up to them if they want salsa. But this looks so delicious. Tell me in the comments if you like my burrito. And I want to ask one thing. Doesn't this burrito look so delicious and yummy? Is it my imagination or everybody gets happy and crazy when they eat these burritos?
Yeah.
Okay, let me know if you like my video and give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to eat my burrito with this agua fresca. It's a watermelon agua fresca. This looks so delicious, Yum. I wish I can share it with you.